Kilalanin natin ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots this 2024 PBA 49th Governors Cup. Point guards, Jerome Lastimosa. Rookie, PBA 49th 9th draft pick, 5'11", 165 pounds, 26 years old, 15 points, 4.1 rebounds, 3.6 assists, 1 steal, 33% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his UAAP 85th season averages. Mark Barroca, veteran star, 5'10", 170 pounds, 38 years old, 15 points, 3.8 rebounds, 5.1 assists, 34% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Jed Mendoza, 5'10", 160 pounds, 28 years old, 3.4 points, 1.2 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 29% 3-point shooter, 73% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ray De La Rosa, rookie, PBA 49 42nd draft pick, 5'10", 209 pounds, 25 years old, 3.8 points, 1.2 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 28% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Shooting guards, Paul Lee, veteran star, 6 feet, 200 pounds, 35 years old, 10.3 points, 4 rebounds, 3.7 assists, 28% 3-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Jerry Kahanmesi, 6'1", 185 pounds, 26 years old, 5.2 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 67% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Jerick Balanza, 6'1", 190 pounds, 28 years old, 3.4 points, 1 rebound, 0.2 assist, 23% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards, Calvin Abueva, veteran star, 6'3", 209 pounds, 36 years old, 3.8 points, 7.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 32 field goal percentage, 76% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Rome De La Rosa, 6'3", 185 pounds, 33 years old, 5.6 points, 2.2 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Joseph Erobu, 6'4", 198 pounds, 32 years old, 4 points, 1.3 rebounds, 0.3 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 57% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Xavier Lucero, new player via trade from Northport, 6'6", 205 pounds, 24 years old, 12 points, 5.4 rebounds, 2 assists, 1.1 steals, 1 block, 25% 3-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards, Aris Dionisio, rising star, 6'4", 195 pounds, 28 years old, 9.5 points, 5.8 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 48% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Russell Escoto, 6'6", 200 pounds, 31 years old, 2.6 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 38% 3-point shooter, 33% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Jackson Corpus, reserve list, 6'4", 180 pounds, 35 years old, 3 points, 1 rebound, 25% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter, 9.5 minutes per game in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na ito, ay susubukan daw isign ng Magnolia si Musselman kung mag-expired na ang kontrata niya sa SMB dahil kulang nga sila ng big man nang maitrade nila si Trotter sa Northport. Vic Manuel, incoming free agent, Magnolia's target, 6'4", 231 pounds, 37 years old, 2.1 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.1 assist, 50 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Centers, Rafael Rivas, team captain, 6'8", 210 pounds, 46 years old, 1.8 points, 4 rebounds, 0.2 steals, 75 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages.
Ian Sanggalang, star player,
6'7", 212 pounds, 32 years old, 18.7 points, 7.5 rebounds, 1 block, 54 field goal percentage, 76% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. James Laput, 6'10", 245 pounds, 28 years old, 5.3 points, 2.9 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 54 field goal percentage, 69% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Glenn Robinson III, Governor's Cup import, 6'6", 220 pounds, 30 years old, 11.3 points, 5.5 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 0.9 steals, 0.5 blocks, 38% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA G League season averages. Ito ang official new and improved complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots this 2024 PBA 49th Governor's Cup. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, may chance bang magka-championship ang Magnolia this Governor's Cup? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.